Ladies and gentlemen, here we have the New Holland TC45D diesel tractor with a New Holland 16 LA loader. Tractor has low hours on it. Only got 401 hours showing on the hour meter. I'll give you a walk around the tractor and then I'll start it and show you some of the features. Of course, it's got 3-point hitch. I'm not sure they've ever used the PTO. It still has a cover on the back of it. Hydrostatic transmission with the forward and back pedals here. One stick loader operation. It's a nice tractor. Starts and runs good. Of course, it's like new. Bring up the loader. It's too close, so I can't show you. It's just one stick.